I just want to do a quick video, show you how to remove the AC line. These are held together by couplers. There's a special tool you can get to disconnect them. Not sure how much the tool costs. All you need is just these thumbtacks right here, and there's 2 holes on this side right here. You want to insert it on the upper portion of it, on the top part of it, and you can hear a little click. And I'm gonna take it out and show you a close-up of it. And that's it. That's how you remove it. Oh, just drop all my thumbtacks. So here's a closer look at the locking mechanism. So these 2 holes right here, what you want to do is put the pin on top, shove it like that, there on that side, and like that. And that's how you open it. So what happened is when you push the pin down, basically you push it in here and pushing it downward allow you to unhook it. The latch is right here. So you put the pin on top of it, force this thing to go down. Maybe you can even do in the middle. Let's see, try with 1. Gotta do with the one on each side. Doesn't work in the middle. And that's how you pop it open. Alright, hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.